The aqua
It's the bunny.
formula makes damage to hair stronger.
It's the bunny. Do the bunny.
Against breakage. Grow your hair longer and stronger. New Beautiful Lengths shampoo and conditioner. A part of proceeds helps give real hair wigs to women with cancer. And
WDEF News 12 wants to see you at the Hamilton County Fair. Join us Saturday, September 27th and Sunday the 28th at Chester Frost Park. Bring the whole family and enjoy music, games, food, and exciting crafts. Plus, be sure to stop by and visit the WDEF News 12 booth near the entrance and get child ID wristbands. And become a WDEF News 12 fan to stay cool. WDEF.com for more information. Come down for a great time, and we'll see you at the Hamilton County Fair.
What's up, everyone? Pete here, and welcome to Blue Hippo.
Can't hear her when she goes. Blah, blah, blah.
Uh-oh, Tika. The bunny. The bunny. The bunny.
Aw, she's a sweet girl. And kissing, giving the kisses. The bunny.
What? The bunny. The bunny. The bunny. You the bunny? You do the bunny? Oh,
I've always wanted to get a movie of that. I was just so glad I finally did.
with the bunny. I'm a bunny bird. Baby. Ready? At the bunny bird. At the bunny bird.
Aww, that's a sweet girl. The daddy's girl. It's the daddy's girl. Huh? What?
Bunny hop. The bunny hop. The bunny hop. The bunny hop. Did you do it? Bunny? Do the bunny. Do the bunny. Do it. Do the bunny. The bunny. Do the bunny. Don't pick on that. Do the bunny. Do the bunny.
I guess she's done enough, Bunny, huh? She's done a lot for you.
My baby.
She did a lot of Bunny for you.